Hi, today I have a bicycle lock for you guys. It's an old wafer TRELOCK made in Germany. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wafer lock, bicycle lock. It's probably not that secure one, but it's a very cool old one, probably 15-20 years old. I don't think they're making like this anymore. Interesting color combination, to be honest. The key, that's the logo, so that's how I know it's a TRELOCK. Already pick a different bicycle lock for TRELOCK, so hopefully you can see the wafers. Maybe not. Come on, focus. There are the wafers. The keyway, it's a bit tricky to navigate, but not that tricky. And let's start picking this one. Hopefully I can. I need to readjust my camera, and I'll decide to use this fantastic pick by Jason Carlson. He sent this me a long time ago. Fantastic DeForest diamond. So yeah, let's start picking this one. Hopefully you can see it's very hard for me to navigate. 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing, like nothing for everything. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More tension. 1, 2, now 3 is binding, or it was stuck. It's very crunchy inside, so I'm trying my best to touch the wafers to find them. It's a bit crunchy one, and this is the 4, wafer number 4. Come on. Still cannot set wafer number 4. I need to remove tension of it. Come on. I'm fighting with wafer number 4. So let me check others. That was 2. A bit turn on the core, and 4, and we're open. Come on. So it's a very easy pick, but it's like a tricky one in the same time. Like it's cool that I have it in my collection, but it's very easy to pick this kind of a wafer lock I'm picking. I can even rake them or use a different way of opening this one, but I'm glad that I open and I have it in my collection. So guys, this was the TRELOCK bicycle lock pick. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.